I love finding really easy ways to upgrade around our house. And these magnetic garage carriage doors are exactly what I need to elevate the look of my garage doors. We have had these in the past and they just add so much character, but they broke. And so I needed to find a new set. So I grabbed these off of Amazon. They are plastic, and then they have the magnet on the back just stuck inside. And they are just ready to stick on the door. This is the simplest upgrade you can possibly do. And then it comes with 4 of these pieces as well. So I'm going to install them and show you what they look like.